Hello, and welcome to the video on an overview of EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial. In this demonstration, you will learn the following: Introduction to the application, applicable area and benefits, downloading and registration, screen description. Let's begin by understanding what EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial is. EcoStruxure Power Design is a low-voltage electrical installation design software developed by Schneider Electric. It calculates low-voltage electrical networks and helps users to choose the right equipment and to optimize electrical calculation. EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial is applicable in the design and calculate stages of the project life cycle. The applicable areas for EcoStruxure Power Design include electrical installation design for buildings in segments such as retail, office buildings, hospitals, hotels, and banks. Users of the application include small and medium design office and contractors. The benefits of EcoStruxure Power Design include compliance with applicable standards, such as IEC and Senelec standards and installation standards, where nonconformities are automatically reported. Verification of electrical network consistency prior to calculation of solutions. Errors reported and identified on the single line diagram. Calculation reports and information immediately usable. Consideration of the installation operating modes and the need for continuity of supply through cascading and discrimination study. Next, we will view the procedure to download and register the EcoStruxure Power Design application. Once you download the application, you will install it on your system. The prerequisites for installation include Windows 7, 8, or 10 operating system, Microsoft Office Home or Professional editions, RAM of 4 GB with 2.73 GB usable memory, and user account with administrative privileges. You should also have the latest version of the Microsoft .NET framework, which is a software development framework used to create required application environment and provide appropriate runtime requirements to the application. Once you have installed the software, you need to register to start using it. There are some prerequisites for registration. Your computer browser should be Internet Explorer 9, IE9, or above. EcoStruxure Power Design is an offline software, but in order to complete the registration process, the machine should be connected to the Internet. If you are a Schneider Electric employee, you can click the Schneider Electric logo on the sign-in page to log in. If you are a PRM user, you can use the same credentials to log in. A new user has to complete the one-time registration process. A new user can also register through social media sites. Login data will be considered from these social media sites. Note that user registration is a one-time process, and if you reinstall the software or change systems, there is no need to do registration once again. You can use the same login credentials to log into the software. Next, we will view the key screens that you will use in EcoStruxure Power Design. There are 3 navigation tabs in the project steps. You will use this design to create the single line diagram. This is the circuit library or single line diagram palette that you will use to select circuit components for the single line diagram. The Properties tab shows the definition of circuit and component properties. The Details tab shows the detailed calculation note of the circuit available with valid calculation. The Curves tab shows the graphic for protection diagram, time and current curves, dedicated to verification of people and circuit protection verification and discrimination. The bottom part of the screen has 2 tables. The Data table enables you to view and edit component properties settings. The components are sorted by type such as circuit breaker, cable, and transformer. The Solution table enables results consultation and solution harmonization for each component. The components are sorted by type such as circuit breaker, cable, and transformer. The status bar shows the status of calculation and allows you to view the alarm window. Use the Calculate Project button to launch the solution calculation for the project. The Alarms window displays information, warning, or potential error generated during the solution calculation. Use the Operating Mode dropdown to change and manage the operating modes. We have seen the overview of the application features. You can explore more by accessing the video playlist. This concludes the video on the overview of EcoStruxure Power Design Ecodial. In this video, we saw the following: Introduction to the application, applicable area and benefits, downloading and registration, and screen description.